Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 186 of Gardening Without Edits. And let me just flip the camera around. And Lulu's somewhere over there in the cilantro forest. Anyways, this video is kind of celebratory, or it is celebratory. A lot of videos and a lot of views and a lot of questions and everything on my mangoes. I had a, they're both seedlings, so they're both Manila mangoes. I had one that was a Glen mango grafted onto it that never really looked healthy from the beginning. It died. It's right there. I'm gonna walk in closer in a minute here. And I have my Manila, which is right here. They both did really bad with a lot of rainfall. This show, as many of you Californians know, or around the nation of probably a lot of news reports, and another atmospheric rivers coming through Oakland or San Francisco this weekend or next weekend, I think. So anyways, the mangoes didn't do so well with all that rain, but here is the Manila, and I did scratch tests over and over and over, and it was still bright green. And now when I go down, there we go. It's alive. It's starting to push out growth. Let me see if I can zoom in one moment. You see that? So every little node, oh, there's another one trying to push out right there. And right here too. Oh, a lot more than I thought. Let me see any more. Yes, right here. There we go. To the left, right over here. Any more down? I guess not. But you can see, I don't see any more, but it's alive. And I'm gonna do a lot better job of taking care of it. I mean, the rain is only so much. This is over 3 years in the ground. And I'm gonna really concentrate this year on this plant. I really want a mango tree. Like I said, the Glen graft right here. Here's the graft right here on the Glen. There's the graft right here. You can see the V shape. This didn't do well from the beginning. It was horrible growth, but the Manila used to grow like crazy, even from here. But this shoot died, but just it grows a lot better. But I'm gonna really concentrate on these trees. I'm gonna foliar feed this probably every 2 weeks when the leaves come out. I don't want to do anything to the baby leaves, so that's a good thing for everybody to know right now. I would not spray anything on these little baby leaves at all. Like I proclaim fish emulsion and seaweed foliar feeding over almost 7 years now, and I do that, but I would not do anything to this tree right now at all. I'm just gonna water it and leave it alone. It went through a lot of stress. Awesome, I'm happy. Colleen, you good? Oh, what are you doing with the Easter eggs? Colleen, look. Huh? Huh? Say hi. What is that?
Dirty.
Dirty? Well, wash your hand then. Is that what you were doing? All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.